In this tutorial, I will guide you how to check your Watu credit balance. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. The good news information have been provided here through the watu.com website, and they say, how do I keep track of my payments? Now they say you can download the Watu app. Now the link has been provided here. Make sure to come to this page. I'll put the link on the description of this video. So they say download the Watu app to manage your loan, check your balance, and get support anytime. Now this applies to any country that you're located, including Congo, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, Sierra Leone, South Africa, Tanzania, and Uganda. So just download the Watu app using this link to manage your loan, check your balance, and get support anytime. Or you can go to the Play Store or App Store and make sure to search for the Watu app, and make sure to download the Watu app and log into your account. Once you log into your account, you can manage your loan, check your balance, and get support anytime. If you face any difficulties, you can always contact the support team through this page. You can either chat with them through the WhatsApp, the number has been provided here, or if you're from a different country, you can just scroll down on this page and then you can choose the country that you're located. Let's say you're located in Tanzania, you can select here Tanzania, and then click this button. You can select here support, and then you can follow the details here, including chat with them through WhatsApp or call them through the number which have been provided here.